One of your AirPods isn't charging? Don't worry, this is a very common problem. Let's walk through the simple steps to get your AirPod working again. Before assuming it's broken, follow these simple troubleshooting steps. First, inspect the charging port. Dust or lint can block the connection. Use a soft brush or cotton swab to gently clean the port. Avoid metal tools. Next, check your lightning cable. A damaged cable often causes charging issues. Try charging with another cable or adapter. If it works, replace the faulty one. Make sure the charging case has power. Low battery can stop one AirPod from charging. Clean the AirPod's metal connectors with a microfiber cloth to ensure contact. Reset your AirPods by holding the back button until the light turns amber. Place both AirPods firmly in the case. Misalignment can stop charging. If nothing works, contact Apple support, especially if they're under warranty. Most issues are simple to fix. For more tech help, visit lowtechtimes.com.